In this video, we're going to cover step 2 of the Kiwi sizing onboarding, which is adding your size chart to the right products. At this point, you already have a size chart from step 1, so now we just need to tell Kiwi where to show it. First, go back to the onboarding checklist and click Open Size Chart Editor for the chart you just created. Inside the editor, go to the Apply to Products section. This is where you choose which products should show this size chart. The easiest way to do this is to leave this on Products Matching any of the condition, and then click on Add New Matching Condition, then choose Products. A pop-up will open where you can search or browse your catalog. Use the boxes to select the products you want this size chart to apply to, then click Select. That's the quickest way to attach your size chart to specific products without touching anything advanced. Now, if you want more control, you can set up more detailed rules. You can add matching conditions by specific product, collections, product types, vendors, tags, or all products. Right above your conditions, you'll see two options: products matching any of the condition and products matching all of the conditions. This controls how strict your rules are. If you choose any of the conditions, a product only needs to match one of the rules to get this size chart. For example, if you set one condition for product type is hoodie and another for collection is winter sale, a product will show this chart if it's either a hoodie or part of the winter sale collection. If you choose all of the conditions, a product has to match every rule you've added. Using the same example, a product would only show this chart if it's a hoodie and it's in the winter sale collection at the same time. So, any is more relaxed and broader, while all is more specific and targeted. So pick whether you want Kiwi to use any or all based on how specific you want this chart to be. When you're happy with your conditions, make sure it's published, then click Save. That's it for step 2. Your size chart is now linked to the right products.